In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving coordinate geometry of straight lines for WASSCE Mathematics. So guys, we have 9 repeated questions to practice with in this video. So let's get started with this first one I have here. Alright, so this question 1 says find the gradient of the line passing through the points. So these are the points. Alright, the formula for finding gradient, note that gradient is something as slope in mathematics. So slope is denoted with m. So the formula for gradient, that m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this question we have our, let's say this is our x1, these are y1, these are x2, we have these are y2. So we have, from the formula, it will be y2, which is 2 over 3, now minus in bracket minus 1 over 3 over, so we have our x2 to be 3 minus half. Okay, so this will be, let's bring a calculator and punch this the calculator. Okay, so this is a calculator. Let's reset first. Press shift button 9, full instructions, press 3, press record and press record again. So in fraction we have the numerator fraction again, 2 over 3, then minus 9 minus is plus, in fraction 1 over 3, okay, over, then the denominator we have 3 minus half, the same thing as 0.5. so that's it. Let's press record now to see the output. So we have it to be what, 2 over 5. The right option is option D. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says if these values is a point on the line y equals ms plus 2, find the value of m. Alright, so this will be, in this point we have here, this is our x1, these are y1, okay, this is x, guys. Now let's impute the value of x and y respectively in this formula we have here. So our y is -4, because we are looking for the value of m, we don't know it, so it will be, our x is what, minus 3 m plus 2. So we want to make n solve the formula, this will cross over, change to negative, we're going to have minus 4 minus 2 equals minus 3m. We're going to have minus 6 equals minus 3m. Divide both sides by coefficient of minus 3m, which will give us minus 3 over minus 3. So m will be what, 2. So if this cancels out, we're going to have 2. So right option this question is option A. 2 is the value of m. So that is for this question. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says the coordinates of points P and Q are this and this respectively. Find the shortest distance between P and Q. Okay, so the formula for finding distance in coordinate geometry of straight lines, we have it to be square root of, in brackets, x2 minus x1 square, okay, plus, in bracket, y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so as usual, these are x1, these are y1, these are x2, these are y2. So let's bring the calculator now and punch this. This is y1, okay, so let's bring the calculator now and punch this. So it will be square root of, in bracket, so our x2 is 2 minus our x1 is 4, close the bracket, square. Then we have plus in bracket our y2 is 1 minus our y1 is 3, close the brackets. Okay, so that's basically what we have. So let's press equal to now to get the outputs. Alright, so let's press equal to. We have it to be what? 2 root 2. So guys, the answer is not in this option. Okay, the options we have here, there's no 2 root 2, so that means the error is from the question. So if you solve it with the values we have in this question, this is what we're going to arrive at, 2 root 2. That will be the answer. Okay, so unless okay, I can remember the first time I saw this question. Remember, this is a repeated question. The first time I saw this question somewhere, the value of this negative 3 was plus 3. Okay, so this negative 3 was plus 3 and not negative 3. So let's try it now. I think that was the value I saw in the other place I saw this repeated question. Okay, 2 with 5. So the right option is option A. So that's it. I can remember it was plus 3, not negative 3. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this and solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says the straight line passes through the points. Use this information to answer this question. Calculate the gradient of the line PQ. So let's bring the calculator and solve this. But before that, let's label our x1, x2. So this is our x1, these are y1, these are x2, these are y2. So let's bring a calculator now. So from the formula, we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's it. Let's put equal to. So we have the output to be 2 over 2. That's the gradient or slope. Okay, the right option is option C. So that is for this question. Let's wipe this now. So the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says the straight line y equals ms minus 4 passes through the point. Calculate the gradients of the line. So guys, before we solve this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. For more of these videos, we really appreciate this. Alright, so let's solve this. This we are looking for the gradient of the line. So these are x1, these are y1. So from this equation we have our y is 16 equals, we are looking for the value of m. So our x is minus 4m. Okay, we have minus 4. We want to make m, so the formula this will cross over, change to plus. We have 16 plus 4 equals minus 4m. So we have 20 equals minus 4m. Divide both sides by minus 4. So our m will be 20 divided by minus 4. We give it what? Minus 5. So the right option is what? Option A. That's it for this question. Let's wipe this now. So the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says if this and this are points, like calculate the line PQ. So we are looking for the distance basically. As usual, this is our x1, these are y1, this is 1 guys, then these are x2, this 2, these are y2. So let's punch this now on the calculator. So it will be square root of in bracket s2, that's 2 minus 2 the bracket square plus, okay, then we have in bracket y2, which is 5 minus 3. So that's it guys, square Let's press equal to now to get the output. So we have it to be 2. The right option is option B, 2 units. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now, so the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says if M and N are the points, these points respectively, find the distance or distance Mn. So it's still the same procedure, formula for finding distance. Okay, so let's label these are x1, these are y1, these are x2, these are y2. So let's use a calculator and solve this, guys. So we're going to have square root of, in brackets, y2, that's 5, minus x1 is minus, so it will be 5 minus 3. So minus times minus is plus, so we're going to have plus 3 instead. Okay, square plus in brackets, then y2 is minus 7, then minus 8, that's our y1 is 8 square. So that's it. Let's press the button now to see the output. We have it was 17 units, option D. That's the answer to this question. Let's wipe this now and solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says find the gradient of the line joining the points. Okay, so let's label these are x1, these are y1, these are x2, these are y2. Okay, so let's use a calculator and solve this now. So this will be the gradient, the slope y2 minus y1. So y2 is 5, our y1 is -3. So minus times minus, so this will give us, we have plus here instead of -3. Okay, then our x2 is 2, our x1 is also 2. So this will give us undefined looking at it, because we can't have, we have 0 as the denominator, we're going to have undefined. So this protocol is CMAS error. So the right option is option E, undefined. Right option here is option E. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's wipe this and look at the last question. Alright, so the last question will be this one. It says write the name of a triangle with the vertex. So the right option in this question will be option C, which is isosceles triangle. Now guys, I want to show you one question style in case it comes out. I've seen it before. So let me see, if we are given, I'm going to frame the question now. The slope should be, let's say 4, and you are given these points. The points should be, let me say 2 and 3. I asked to find the equation of this straight line. Okay, so this will be, as usual, this will be our x1, this will be our y1. So from the formula of a slope, we have it to be m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So to find the equation of these points, it will be, our slope is 4, right? 4 equals, we don't know the y2, so let's call y minus our y1 is 3 over, we don't know our x2, let's call it x, our x1 is 2. So when you cross multiply, we're going to have 4 in bracket x minus 2, okay, equals y minus 3. So when you break this down, you're going to have 4x minus 8 equals y minus 3. Okay, so we want to find the equation of this point. So at this juncture, this -3 will cross over this place. You're going to have 4x minus 8. So when this crosses over, it will change to a positive value, so it will be plus 3 equals y. So the equation of the straight line will now be y equals, so we have 4x, okay, minus 8 plus 3 give you minus 5, so we have minus 5. Okay, so this will give you the equation of the straight line, where y is the dependent variable, the x is the independent variable, the minus 5 is the y-intercept, and the 4 is the slope. So this basically can do problems involving coordinate, geometry, or straight lines. For a WASSCE Maths practice, we now take questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's create a video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the end screen button. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.